Part 3. Integrating the EC-LIB in Eclipse. In this quick guide, the sample project is called EC-LIB example, which we will develop within an Eclipse C++ IDE environment. Of course, other IDEs can also be used to evaluate the free trial version. At this point of the video, we assume that an Eclipse project is already available. If you need help creating a new project in Eclipse, please follow the link provided. You will find instructions for setting up a new Eclipse project and further information on the Eclipse application. After downloading the EC-LIB via the download link and unzipping the folder, please take the following steps. Step 1. Open the EC-LIB folder structure provided by the download. Step 2. Select the folders, EC-LIB headers and EC-LIB functions and copy them into your project. Navigate to the Eclipse workspace of your sample project. In this video, the sample project is the already created project EC-LIB example. Paste the copied folders, EC-LIB headers and EC-LIB functions into your Eclipse workspace of your sample project. Now that the files have been copied to your project, further steps in the Eclipse environment are necessary. Please return to your Eclipse environment. Step 3. Use the refresh button to update your project. This is done either by the shortcut F5 or by right-click on your project and selecting refresh.